Hey, this is my new neighborhood. It's in Arvada. And this is my new house. It's in Arvada. And inside my new house is my new YouTube studio. It's in Arvada. Merica. So here it is, 900 square feet of YouTube studio goodness. And I'm so excited to explore all the possible angles, the lighting, the looks. Wall to wall, it's more than 34 feet. Incredible. And that means I can create all kinds of really cool looks. And you know what we need now is a bit of bokeh. Bokeh! And big props to Daniel Battelle for helping me dial in this look, but it's just missing something, that certain je ne sais quoi. And that's the halo effect. So there you have it, and again, don't you hate it when the autofocus isn't autofocusing? There you have it, that's look number one. So excited to be in the studio making videos. Now, I want to talk about some of the design choices, like we've got the red brick on the wall behind you that you can't see on this wall, and that's going to create a really cool look. I'm going to show you the first steps of that in just a second, but what about back there? Well, on the far wall, straight across from you, I actually went with this whitewash brick, and the reason I did that is so I could illuminate it with different colors using RGB lights. And I've got links to those lights and everything I'm using below in the description. And that allows me to go from yellow to green, blue, purple, and pink. One of the things I want to mention is to make a studio look cool, it's really about lighting the subject, that's you, or in this case me, and also lighting the backdrop. This is a great example. Here's that studio with regular lighting, and this is the studio with some ambient low light. So what do you think? Do you like this look, or do you like that other look I showed you earlier? Let me know, leave a comment below. Hey, it's just one more look for the studio here, and this was an addition that happened in the first week of construction because we were kind of like, let me pan over here to the brick wall. I mentioned the white brick wall. Well, here it is. Kind of got this brick wall here. And as we were designing it, the water pipes come into the home right back here. And it would look funny to have like water pipes and brick, and we just didn't want to do that. So instead what we did and what I thought about was, why don't we kind of close this off with an entire wall? That's the utility closet over this way. And when we do that way, we'll create this huge closet. Check it out. Pretty cool. So form meets function. It looks good. It's beautiful. And finally, I've got a place to store all my lenses, my gear, my microphones. I'm still getting organized, but it looks pretty good. One of the problems I had when setting up this studio, and you might too, is I had some flickering with the lights. Now right now they're cranked all the way up, but watch what can happen with low voltage lighting. Can you see the flickering? Let's try to adjust things a little bit. Now I'm currently filming at 24 frames per second. I've got a shutter speed of 50, which is pretty much what you want, about double of the frame rate. Let's increase the levels of those lights. And let's see if we still have some flickering. Yes. Yes, we do. And there you have it. So I've reduced the lighting a bit, and sadly we still have a bit of flickering. Can you tell, like, would you have noticed the flickering if I didn't mention it? Again, love to have your opinion. And now I've increased the light to about 75%. Hey Sony, track me for goodness sake. Now we've got the lighting dimmed at about 75% or so. And let me see, I normally would look at you, but I'm curious. It looks like the flickering is gone. Here's the thing. Do what you can with what you got right now. Do that by making the space you film in look as good as possible. A few RGB lights, a nice softbox, and more can really help you create something that's visually pleasing. And if you really want to get views, check out this video on the screen right now. It's all about YouTube search, and it can help you drive more views. You dig?